Good morning, class 5. So I have again come with same chapter, okay, measurement. So introduction we did last time. Now this one we are going today we will do relation between units of length, mass and this one capacity. Okay, I have told you what are they. Today we will discuss about the relation. Relation means that this 1 kilometer equal to how many hectometer. These are higher units, standard units, lower units. I have discussed that already, isn't it? So here 1 kilometer and short form for kilometer, these I have written in bracket. Kilometer you can write km, okay. Hectometer you can write hm. Decameter dam. And meter is just m, okay. Your decimeter means it's dm only. Then here I made a mistake. Here it's dm only, okay. Dm, decimeter. If it is dm, that means decimeter. If it is dam, it is decameter, okay. So decimeter, centimeter is cm and millimeter is mm. Here in mass, only the difference is unit of mass, this one, gram. Instead of length in length we have meter, in mass we have gram, okay. And it's simple like this only. 1 kilogram equal to, and in the here it will be kg, okay. So hg, dg. Here again I wrote d, it should be dag, okay, and here also it should be dag, decagram, and in decigram it will be just dg, okay. And here in capacity also only this will change. It won't be meter or gram, it will be liter. So simple, same like those only. Kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. And I had told you in the beginning only to learn in during these holidays you have to learn prefixes. Kilo, hecto, decameter, deci, centi, milli, isn't it? And if it is gram, if you are saying units of mass, then it will be kilo, hecto, deca, not meter, it will be gram. Okay, then deci, centi, milli. You have to learn it. Why? Why you have to learn it? Yes, because you should know which unit comes after which unit. Okay, which unit is before which unit. You should know that. Okay, otherwise you'll have problem in solving these sums of measurement. Okay. So let's see, 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometer. Just 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometer. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hectometers. If you combine, it will be just 1 kilometer. That means who is stronger? Kilometer is stronger, isn't it? And 1 hectometer equal to 10 decameter. That means again it is divided into 10 divisions, okay. So then again from here 1 decameter equal to 10 meter, from here 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter, then again from here 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter, then 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. That means who is the biggest, highest, strongest? It will be kilometer, okay. Here also same thing, only this one has been changed. Instead of meter, it is gram, and in this case, liter in this case. Okay, same relations, same. Okay, nothing, no change at all. Only that instead of meter, you have to write gram for G for gram, and L for liter. That's all. Okay. Now, when you are asked to convert kiloliter to decaliter, sometimes decaliter to centiliter, what are you going to do? Now, I'll tell you two things. When you are converting highest, biggest unit into smallest unit, that time you have to multiply. It's easy, na? If it is biggest, you'll cut it into so many pieces, isn't it? It's easy. So when you go down, that means when you are converting bigger unit into smaller unit, you have to multiply. If it is easier, then it is multiplication. Now, just opposite, if you convert smallest unit into bigger unit, it's very hard, isn't it? It's very difficult. Smallest pieces, you are making biggest one, isn't it? So if it is hard, it will be division. When you are, this is when you are going up. When you are going up, it will be division. Remember again, when you are converting bigger unit into smaller unit, like decameter into decimeter or kilometer into centimeter, you just have to find out kilo, hecto, deca, like that. I had told you already to learn it. So you have to say it and find it, which one is bigger. Whether you are converting bigger unit into smaller unit or smaller into bigger unit, you have to find out, okay? Then, if it is bigger to smaller, you have to multiply, and if it is smaller to bigger, then you have to divide, okay? And now, divide by what? Isn't it? Divide by what? Now you understood. You have to, if it is bigger to smaller, you have to multiply. If it is bigger to smaller to bigger, you have to divide. But what? By what you are going to divide, multiply? Okay? Let's find the difference. Now, 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometer. If it is kilo to hecto, you will just kilo means bigger, hecto means smaller. So you will multiply. So multiply by what? Multiply by 10, because the difference is 10 only, isn't it? What if it is kilometer to centimeter, kilometer to millimeter? You'll learn all those. 1 kilometer equal to 10, then again 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. You'll continue like that. No, it will be harder that way. Okay? It will be more difficult. Because in my school days also, I have learnt that way, and sometimes you'll forget and your answer will be wrong. So it will be easier if you follow this method. Now listen carefully. What you have to do is, here I have written 4 kilometer into meter. So we are going to convert. Okay. Now what you have to go learn is, you have to find out is whether it is multiplication or division. What you are going to multiply? The question which is given already, isn't it? So write that question here. Okay, 4 kilometer into meter. Now, so write that 4. We are going to multiply or divide 4. Okay, now find out whether it is multiplication or division. Kilometer into meter. So where is kilometer? Up, isn't it? Meter is down. It comes afterwards. So it is multiplication. That 4 you have to multiply. Okay. Now, by what you are going to multiply? Okay. So 10 tens are 100, tens are 1000. Don't multiply like that. I'll tell you a very easy method. We'll count it by steps. Okay, so that kilometer which you are going to convert, keep it on your head here. What? The question. Keep it here on the head. Okay, then after that, after kilometer, what comes? Hectometer, isn't it? Keep it in your fingers. Count it from here. The steps. Kilo, then hecto, deca, then meter. Isn't it? Kilo, the question. Keep it on your head. Then start. Count. Start counting in your fingers. Kilo, then hecto, deca, meter. You need till meter only, isn't it? How many it is? How many fingers you have? Now, 3, isn't it? So, with 1, there will be 3 zeros. That's all. Okay, and you will multiply. You know how to multiply. 4 ones are 4. Then 3 zeros, you will put it. I have taught you in class 4 also, isn't it? How to multiply, it's easy. Or if you don't know that, it's alright. 4 into 1000 is 4000. You can write it, okay? And don't you ever forget to write the unit. Unit is very important. What have you converted into? Into which unit you have converted? That unit, this unit, remember to write here. You have converted into meter. Now you know 4 kilometer equal to 4,000 meter. Now again, I'll tell you again. This is your conversion question. You have to convert 4 kilometer into meter. 4 kilometer means how many meter? Okay. What you have to do? That question, write it here. And now what you have to do? Multiply or divide? Find out. Bigger to smaller. Okay. Then if it is bigger to smaller, what I had told you, it is multiplication. So write multiplication. Okay. Then instead of multiplying 10 tens are 100 tens are, instead of that, you count the steps. Okay. What are you going to do? Kilometer, the question itself, the question, unit of the question. Keep it here on your head. Kilometer, that means forget. Keep it and forget. Don't count that kilometer. Remember that. Okay. Kilometer, keep it on your head and forget. After that, what comes? Hectometer. Hecto, deca, meter. 3 zeros. So 1 with 3 0. It will be 1000. So 4 into 1000 will be 4000. And don't forget to write the unit. 4,000 meter. Okay. It's just like that in mass also. Same thing. That's why I wanted to show you any difference among these length, mass and capacity. That's why I am going to show the same question. I am going to show it with the same question, because there is nothing. You don't have any difference. Only one difference is unit. This unit you have to write. Okay. Now in this mass, same thing. 4 into what? Kilo to gram means meter. Instead of meter, it is gram. So 4 to 1000 and 4,000. 4,000. What is the unit this time? This is gram. So 4,000 gram. Same thing. Okay. So you can write here also unit. So 4 into 1000 meter. 4 into 1000 gram. Okay. 4,000. And now I think you can do this also. No. Same thing. 4 into 1000. Okay. This is liter. 4,000 liter. Okay. So this is multiplication. Very easy, isn't it? Now I'll show you decimal number. This is whole number. But if you have decimal number, what are you going to do? Okay. Now I think you have seen this properly. You understood this one, the difference. Okay. So now I am going to rub and write the questions, decimals. Now next question is question number 2. Convert number A is 4.25 centimeter into millimeter. Centimeter into millimeter. Okay. So this is a decimal number. Now I have done percentage, decimal, fractions, everything. Why I did? Because of these only. Now you will get decimal number, other things also. Okay. Now you should be able to convert also. So first thing is this question you will write, isn't it? You will write 4.25. Now multiplication or division, find out. Centimeter to millimeter. Centimeter, then comes millimeter, isn't it? So it is multiplication. So you will multiply. Now by how many? 0. 1 and by how many 0 you are going to multiply? I said keep the question, the unit of the question on your head, centimeter, then after that comes what? Millimeter. Centimeter, then millimeter. This finger, only one step. So 1 0. 1 and 1 0. That means 10. Okay. Now I know or I hope you know how to multiply. Shifting of decimals I had taught you. If it is multiplication, decimal will move to right hand side. Remember, decimal will move to right hand side and it depends on the number of 0. So only 1 0. So it will go only one step this side, isn't it? It will move this side. So answer became 42.5 and what is the unit? Unit is millimeter. 42.5 millimeter. Okay, so don't forget that decimal how to change, huh? Then next question, same thing. Now I don't have to show this again and again, no, because same, instead of centimeter, if it is centigram, it will be centigram into milligram, same process, you will multiply by 10 and instead of millimeter it will be milligram, that's all. And in case of capacity, what you have to do, here instead of meter there will be liter and here also milliliter, ml, and same thing because the question same. Okay, I'll just like this only. Okay, then here it will be milliliter. I am not going to show that. You understood, isn't it? Now I'll show you next one, number 3. Convert 7 decameter into kilometer. Decameter into kilometer. Okay, now decameter into kilometer. Now what I had said, copy the question 7. Okay, copy the question 7. Then decameter into kilometer. Kilometer comes first or decameter? You have to find out that. So kilo comes first, deca afterwards. That means it is division, isn't it? Divide. Okay, then by how many? The relation will be same. By how many it will be divided? By how many? How many zeros? 1 and how many zeros? So relation is same. Kilo, then decameter. Kilo, then hecto, deca. 100, isn't it? So you will divide with 100. Okay, once again, it's like this only. Relation remains same. Only you have to multiply, either multiply or divide. That's all. Okay, so first copy the question, then find out whether it is multiplication or divide. So decameter down and kilometer is up, isn't it? So you are going up. That means division. Division. Now by how many zeros? Same relation. Kilo here, then hecto, deca. So 100. 2 zeros means 1 and 2 0 means 100. So it will be, you are converting into kilometer. So it will be, now this is whole number. If you don't know decimals, you will have problem out here. So this is whole number. Now you are dividing. So 2 0 means you have to count. In division, what happens? Decimal will move to left hand side, isn't it? So this is whole number, so decimal will be here always. Okay, so that will go this side, move this side. So how many steps? 2 steps it will go. So this is 1 already, then another 2. 1 2, it will go this side. Okay, so answer will be 0.07, and since there is no number here, it will be 0. So answer will be 0.07 kilometer. Okay, this is division. Remember how to find out whether it is division or not. I have taught you already. And most important thing is this one. because you will understand how to multiply, by what you have to multiply or divide. But when it comes here, then you will have problem, because decimals, if you have not practiced, then you will have problem here. Remember, if it is multiplication, decimal will move to right hand side. If it is division, just opposite, it will move to left hand side. And how many places? Here depends on the number of zeros. Here 2 zeros. So 7 is one place. Then there is nothing. So you have to put 0. So it will be 2 places. Okay. So then it will come here and 0.07, as there is no number here, whole number is not there. So you occupy that space with 0. So answer will be 0.07 kilometer. Okay. It is like this only with other numbers also. So I'll do 2 numbers here. Same, number B, 14 millimeter into centimeter. Now 14, write it. Now millimeter into centi, you are going up, so divide. Then by what you are going to divide? How many 0? 1 you always have to write. But how many 0? Centimeter. Centimeter, then millimeter, so 10. Okay, and the answer will be, you are dividing by 10. So 1 0 means 1 place. Okay, 14. So this is whole number. So decimal will be here. It will go in. It will move to left hand side. So answer will be 1.4 and this centimeter. Okay, it's like this only. 1.4 centimeter. Okay, and the last one here. Last one is there. I'll show you. Number C, 15.3 centimeter into decameter. Okay, centimeter into decameter. First thing is copy the question, 15.3. Now find out division, multiplication. Centimeter is down, decameter is up, so division. Then write 1. Then how many zeros? Deca comes first. Kilo, deca, meter, deci, centi. Again 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then write 15.3. Now how many steps? It will move this side because it is division. So how many steps? 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. It is already 2 steps. 1, 2. Now to make 3 steps you have to put 0. Then it will go move this side. 1, 2, 3. Then 0.0153, and there is no number here in whole number, so 0. So answer will be 0.0153, and this is the unit, decameter. So I have taught you the relation between units of length, mass and this capacity. Same thing, only the unit will change. Same process, everything same. Okay. Now, and multiplication, how to multiply, how to divide, and decimals I had taught you last time only. Please go through it again if you have forgotten. Okay. So this much. Tomorrow I'll give you the homeworks. Okay. Thank you.